Greetings fam, this is Will from Silekun Inc. This video is about a new expansion pack by Akai called Kelley Volume 1. This is an expensive one. It costs $69.99, but it appears to be well worth it. You can watch his standalone challenge right here on YouTube, and there you can hear and see his production process. He's worked with so many different people. It's pretty incredible. Of course, you can download the demo kit right here. It has 16 sounds. I've already downloaded the demo kit to my E drive, and all you have to do is take the XPM file and drag it into A01 on the MPC Essentials or whatever MPC software you're using. The MPC Essentials are very basic software, so I hope you have something a little bit more advanced, because you can actually do a lot more with MPC Touch, MPC Live, MPC X, all of those. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this thing. Let's close this one out, and now we have all of the sounds already set up on the pads. You don't have to drag each individual sound. You just drag the .xpm file, and you get all of the sounds lined up perfectly onto the pads. Let's take a listen to some of the demo kit sounds. Very high quality sounds. This is a really nice expansion pack, and that is just a very small sample of all the sounds. That's just the demo kit. I'm gonna have to cut a few more lawns and rake up a few more leaves so I can get my little $69.99 together and get this expansion pack. Okay, I don't really do all that, I'm just joking, but you know what I'm saying. I gotta get my pennies together so I can get this one, because Kelley, you know, he has a really cool laid back sound, old school sound. You know, if you're not familiar with him, he has hits like, you know, They Don't Know, So Into You, and the Thong Song. He's really awesome. He's an old school producer, so some of you younger cats might not know who he is, but he's a bad dude, and he definitely put some really nice sounds into the expansion pack. Next time I roll through, I hope to have a smooth joint using some of his sound. Peace. If you like this, you know, hit me up, you know, comment, like, subscribe. All right, I'll check you out next time.